I think we need some new plastic pieces on this plow. So a brand new cutting edge installed. That's it. One more thing off the list. Okay, gentlemen. We just bought the kit for the input, the XLS model plow we have. These two plastic, they're polyurethane plastic pieces that go on the bottom corners. Because we put the new cutting edge on last week for $261 plus tax, came to $295. These plastic wings, whatever you want to call them, they're up about 1.5 inches in the air now. So $327 for the urethane kit over here. This is ridiculous. Almost $700 to replace that had no cutting edge, that plow, when it came. The dealer sold it to the previous owner and told him, oh no, you don't need a cutting edge. Pfft, bullshit, you know, you need a cutting edge. The new model, it has this little square chunk of steel right here with 4 bolts in it and a little side plate too, and we kind of need that, but it's not compatible with our plow. Just gotta weld this on the end, and there's my wear piece for the polyurethane. So, but the holes, I'm not gonna drill with the drill press. I'm just gonna use the torch, cut 4 holes. We're working on the right side. The left side went beautifully, went perfect. And I went and found this piece of scrap metal here. This is it must be 3/4. Also even bigger than that. It's probably 7/8. I'm gonna clean that up, cut it to about this long, and weld that on there. This is the right side, so it's the side that goes up against the curb more often. So I want to... Okay, well, that's welded on. The drill barely has enough power to drill through this stuff. Okay, I'm going to take it over to the drill press because this is not working out. The 20-inch, it's got lots of power. Okay, so I've got all the... I drilled all the holes, the countersinks from the back. I drilled a 1/2 inch here from the front. I've got the plate ready to go on. Okay, so I dug a little more and I found this one, the only bolt I found in the whole shop. So we'll use that and grind that shoulders off. I want it to look somewhat professional. I wanted a nice carriage head bolt to match the other 3. You know, I've been a hack most of my life. If I can look professional, I'd like to try anyway. This stuff catches fire like gasoline, like you wouldn't believe. So I found that out yesterday with the first one. I got a can of water next door. I'm going to weld these 2 nuts. I don't know, I think these 2 are going to be fine. I'm just going to knurl them, I think, with the hammer. And just so they don't vibrate and we lose them. But I'm going to cut a little groove. Okay, turn the MIG on. This one's not tight yet, I don't think. Okay, well, I cut the groove so the weld sits down in there. These have to clear when this thing slides in. It rides on top of the cutting edge on the main part of the plow, so it has to be flush. This one's sticking up a little bit. I think I'm going to grind that down a little bit more, and then I'm going to weld it. Okay, here goes nothing. Watch this thing catch fire. Okay, well, there's the finished product. Does that look pro or what? I'm really happy with the way this turned out. There's the bolt I went and found. It's not galvanized, but it matches the other three. That 3/4 inch round there is going to give it an extra long life. So I'm only going to do that on this one side. Yeah, I like it. I think it's well worth the time. It took about an hour for each side to do this, total. So, practice your skills, and a bit of woodworking, countersinking. Yeah, turned out better than I thought it would. Well, next we just have to install it on the truck, and okay, we're going to be plowing snow on the weekend, it looks like. Well, there we go, it's on. It looks really good. Just the one bolt here we cannot get on with a wrench, a socket, nothing. Look at the clearance you got in there. It's like no clearance. They're countersunk. And there's no room for a ratchet. I'm not going to paint it, I don't think. I got enough time. So, hope you liked the video. This is the kind of thing I do in between snowstorms. It helps keep the equipment in decent shape, and you might learn a few tricks or, you know, some techniques. So, I do the videos for fun. If you like what you see, maybe give me a thumbs up, or if you want to follow along, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.